What's up, guys? It's Gabby Shay. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be doing a makeup video. So let's get started. So first I'll be putting on my lipstick, if you can see, and then I'm going to be doing my blush. Then I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So let's get started. It's actually kind of funny, so I can't tell if it's on or not, so comment down below. There. Now my blush. How do I open this thing? How do I open this thing? Okay, there we go. Good. This is actually pretty. Next, now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. My favorite color is blue, so I'm going to do the blue one. Look at all the colors here. So let's do it. Which blue do I want? I'll do this. I don't know if it's on or not, so and now I'm going to. So that was the end of my YouTube video. So bye. Bye.